What's up everyone, my name's Silpans and welcome back to a new video. Before we get into this, like, subscribe, comment, and turn on bell notifications so you'll be notified every time I post a new banger. Last video I said that I was gonna do every other day uploads, but you know what, screw that, alright? I'm just going to post when I want to post, alright? I don't care what you guys think, alright? I want to just have the best, the greatest content out for you guys instead of having, all this like fake crap, Alright, so today I'm basically going to be showing you how to make DIY slime, alright, this is going to be similar to a milkshake video I made, alright, that'll be in the information box up above if you want to check that out. Alright, so first off, you're gonna want some Coke, you know what I'm saying? I think about 2 bottles, alright, it seems a little weird, don't you think, but this whole slime thing I'm kinda new to, but. Alright, so we got the Coke, we need the blender again, we need some ice, and we need some vanilla extract, alright? There's a couple of ingredients after we blend this all up, but here's me blending it all up. Looking pretty good. Alright, so we have all of it here. It's looking pretty gross right now, honestly. Yeah, what the heck. I think it's fine though. Alright, now add the tiniest bit of coffee mate cream, or any cream really, I'm just using that. Just the tiniest bit. Okay. You can see it there, so we want to mix it a little bit. So I'm gonna probably press smoothie here, and yeah. Okay, that mixed it quite well. Yeah. So obviously you're not just gonna want to drink this. That's not the whole point, right? But we're just gonna try a little bit of this. Yeah. Yeah. That's pretty gross. But that's not the point, alright? We're trying to make slime here, alright? Okay? So, yeah. Next what you want to do, alright, I'm just gonna pour all this into a cup. Oh god, I'm gonna have to drink some of that. Alright, so we're just gonna mix it until it hardens, and then you're gonna take it out with the spoon, and then you'll be able to use it as slime. Alright guys, here's the final product. I put in this little bowl and put some coloring in it, and now here it is. It's pretty fun to play with, I guess. Yeah, you don't really want to be playing with it. Yeah. But it's pretty great. It's pretty wet. Yeah. I play with slime every day, so I'm kind of like used to this or whatever. But yeah, I hope you enjoy your slime, everyone. And again, please like and subscribe. Alright, you can see the cool colors in here too. It's really nice.